In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ink to shape in OneNote. If you've ever wanted your handwritten shapes to look clean and professional without spending extra time perfecting them, this feature is exactly what you need. Ink to shape allows you to draw naturally, then instantly converts your rough sketches into polished shapes, making it ideal for diagrams, flowcharts, or neatly organized notes. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and go to the page where you'd like to add your shapes. Make sure your device supports digital inking. This could be a touchscreen laptop, a tablet, or a drawing tablet connected to your computer. While you can use a mouse, using a stylus or pen will give you smoother, more precise control and a more natural feel. Next, look at the top of the screen and select the Draw tab. This is where you'll find your drawing tools, including pens, highlighters, and erasers. Choose a pen that suits your preference, adjusting the color and thickness, if needed. Once you've selected your pen, find the Ink to Shape option in the toolbar and turn it on. This setting allows OneNote to recognize your freehand drawings and convert them into clean shapes automatically. Now, to enhance this feature further, open the File menu and go into Options. From there, select Advanced and scroll down until you reach the Pen section. Look for the setting that enables the Draw and Hold Ink to Shape gesture while inking, and make sure it's checked. This option gives you more control by allowing you to pause briefly at the end of your drawing so OneNote can finalize the shape. With everything set up, start drawing directly on your page. You can sketch circles, rectangles, triangles, arrows, or other simple shapes. When you finish a shape, just hold your pen in place for a moment. OneNote will recognize what you intended and convert it into a smooth, precise version. You can repeat this process for multiple shapes, keeping your notes consistent and visually appealing. If you need to make adjustments, use the Selection tool to resize, rotate, or move your shapes around. This flexibility helps you refine your layout without having to redraw anything. By using Ink to Shape along with the Draw and Hold feature, you get the best of both worlds, a natural drawing experience combined with clean, professional results that make your notes easier to read and understand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.